Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to discuss about the floor plan of a studio apartment, one bed apartment. Here in this video we will discuss about the floor plan circulation, the spaces arrangement, the spaces. So here first of all we can enter to apartment from here. So here is a sliding door. When we enter to apartment, here is a living area which is called living room. So this is sofa for sitting area. In the front of sofa here is a media wall, the TV wall. So here is a kitchen with sitting spaces. So this whole is kitchen. In front of kitchen here is dining area, which is directly accessible to dining, from kitchen to dining, from dining to kitchen. So from here we can enter to a bath. Here is the shower area, and here is the vanity. From here we can enter to a bedroom. So here is bed. In front of bed here is closets. So here is one closet. If we talk about the dimension of this, so here is 3.03 meter, 1.61 meter, 3.68 meter, 4.01 meter, 2.97 meter, 2.61 meter, 1.01 meter, 2.64 meter. Let's see the 3D of the studio apartment. Here is the 3D. So from here we can enter the apartment. Here is a media wall. In front of media wall here is the sofa with the dining. At the dining, the front of dining here is kitchen, directly accessible. So from here we can enter to a toilet. Here is the shower area with the vanity, and here is a bedroom with closet. A very interesting floor plan. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a good day, dear.